Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of our Vlogmas, well, our version of Vlogmas. But anyways, we're going to be talking about I don't know what the best way to put this, but it is a new 69 Mustang Boss 429. So, it's a 6970 Boss 429, but so let's start with the original. The originals, they only made like 857 of them. 50 of them were built by hand, and those are the ones that are more sought after. One of them actually sold in 2007 for over $600,000. And if you have one of the original ones, they can go from like $115,000 to $317,000. It just depends on the market and the day. The original was an 8-cylinder with 375 horsepower. I had a four-barrel carburetor with a 4-speed manual in it. So this one that you're seeing on the page right now is one that is made to order. You're like, what do you mean made to order? It's a 69. Well, there's a company called Classic Recreations that makes these cars from scratch. I guess you would pre-order them. But they do a 1969-1970 Boss 429. They are built to the customer's liking, their specifications, whatever. And it is licensed by Ford. So you're looking at starting $224,900 for a starting price. As I said, it's all licensed by Ford. So let's go into what you get for this price. And just note, I will leave Donut, I think it's Donut Media, right? They actually reviewed this car, and I thought this was somebody's special car, this one of one, they built that, and it was so cool. I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I'd love to have one like that. I didn't realize an actual company made these. They call it a Boss 9. Really awesome car. I'd love to have one. Unfortunately, that's a lot of money right now. So, when you go in, here's some of the options you get to pick from. For color-wise, they give you Raven Black, Royal Maroon, Black Jade, Candy Apple Red, White, Grappler Blue, Grappler Green, Grappler Orange, Calypso, Coral, Pastel Blue, and custom colors upon request. Drivetrain, you're going to get the 541 crate engine with the Boss 9 cylinder heads, a EFI 2.0 fuel injected Tremec. Somebody got on me for the way I say it. Tremec manual transmission, a 9-inch Fab 9 rear end with 3.5 gears, with posi traction installed, a Concept 1 pulley system. You can also get an automatic transmission for no charge if you want to do that as well. They offer a rack and pinion steering conversion, so you have power steering. Tilt column. Interior, they offer elite seats with high backs, 5-point cam lock seat belts, Boss 429 200 mile per hour gauges, aluminum steering wheel, Old Air Products AC system, Boss 429 console. You can also upgrade to KPH gauges, right-hand drive. Right-hand drive you can upgrade for $12,500. Whew, that's a lot of money. You can get leather as well. I'm not going to go into the stereo systems, but you can get stereo systems as well. You can get different style of wheels and tires. They offer American Racing 17x8s for the front and American Racing 17x11s aluminum for the rear wheels. They all come with high performance Z-rated tires, 249, 45, 17 in the front, and 315, 35, 17 in the rear. Exterior, you're going to get the Boss 429 logos, the rear window louvers, the 429 hood, 429 hood scoop, 429 rear spoiler, 429 front spoiler. You're going to get a Vaporworks electronic fuel pump, a Stealth 18-gallon fuel cell. Brakes are going to be Willwood. The front's a 6-piston, rear's a 4-piston, slotted and cross-drilled and zinc-washed rotors. The electrical, the trunk, the batteries mounted in the back with You have a MSD ignition. Exhaust is going to be stainless works long tube headers with dual 2.75 inch Mandrel bent exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers. Cooling, you get aluminum cross flow radiators and two 13-inch electric cooling fans. Chassis is a tubular subframe connectors, as well as cosmetic roll bar. Suspension is you'll get front and rear coilovers, oversized sway bars for front and rear, and there's other custom options added to as well. I will definitely link this website below. This is really cool to look at. They are turnkey, ready to go, and it's a beautiful car. I'd love to freaking own one of these things, especially that black. Oh, it's to die for. And the video on Donut Media is really nice too. They actually have one in the studio walking around, so I will try to find that video for you guys and link that as well. But anyways, you guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you with some